Good morning, student of class 3. I am a computer teacher Sonjit sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to start a new chapter, creating magic with TaskPaint, and also discuss chapter number 7, more magic with TaskPaint. Okay, I will discuss uh, chapter number 6 and 7 in this video because these two chapters have the same content. Okay, TaskPaint. Okay, so let's start. First is magic tools in TaskPaint. Okay, what is the magic tools in TaskPaint? Magic tools are used to put the special effects on the drawing canvas and enhance any drawing. That means जो magic tools होता है वो क्या होता है कि आपका जो drawing होता है, आप लोग जो पेंट में नॉर्मल पेंट में जो drawing करते थे उसी टाइप का है, लेकिन जो स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स है यहाँ यू कैन सी द इमेज. ओके, यहाँ पे जो स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स है उसको हम लोग मैजिक टूल से TaskPaint में दे सकते हैं. ओके, द मैजिक टूल्स इज डिस्प्ले टूल बॉक्स ऑन द लेफ्ट पैनल ऑफ द TaskPaint विंडो. हियर यू कैन सी द टूल बॉक्स पैनल. ओके, this is the toolbox panel and you can use it, okay, for insert any type of special effects in your image. Okay, next is click on it to find out different magic effects listed in the selector. Different effects are used after they are selected either by just a click of the drawing or canvas or by clicking and dragging the cursor. That means जब आप लोग इस ये यहाँ पे जो टूल्स डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ टूल्स दिखा रहा है इसको जब आप लोग सिलेक्ट करेंगे, एक हो सकता है कैनवास के ऊपर क्लिक करने से वो ऑटोमेटिकली ले लेगा, और एक हो सकता है माउस क्लिक से आपको ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप करना पड़ता है. ओके, ड्रैग करने से जो जहाँ तक आप लोग शेप लेना चाहते हैं, जो इफेक्ट्स है वो लेना चाहते हैं वो हो जाएगा with the help of the mouse cursor. Okay, next is, so first effects is drip effects. All of you can see the image. What is drip effects is here. Okay, so the drop of paint will drip down causing the drip effect. So to create the dripping effects in TaskPaint, first of all we need to open the TaskPaint software. Okay, first of all we need to open the TaskPaint software, then select the shapes in toolbox. Select the shapes in toolbox. Here you can see the toolbox is here. Okay, you need to select. Next you need to select rectangle fill shape in the selector and the color if you want to use in your drawing from the color plate. Okay, next take the cursor of to the drawing canvas and draw 4 and 5 rectangle shape. Here you can see the 4 and 5 rectangle shapes are here, and now click on the magic tool. Okay, now click on the magic tool in the toolbox and select the drip icon. आप लोगों को जब drip effects डालना होगा तो आप लोगों को drip icon में जाके select करना होगा. Okay, then click and drag your magic wand and on the shapes to create the drip effect. जब आप लोगों का जो ड्रिप आइकॉन होगा उसको आप लोगों ने सिलेक्ट कर लिया, उसके बाद माउस को ले जाके वहाँ पे क्लिक करके जो रेक्टेंगल हम लोगों ने ड्रॉ किया है उसको ड्रैग करना होगा, तो ऑटोमेटिकली आप लोगों का जो पिक्चर में जो ड्रिप इफेक्ट्स हो वो इस तरह से दिखने लगेगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज फोम इफेक्ट्स. ओके, so to create the foam effects in TaskPaint, first of all of you need to open the software, TaskPaint software, then create anything you want to draw in canvas. Okay, then select same process magic tool in the toolbox and select the foam icon. When you need to select the drip effects for dripping any content. Okay, then when you need to create foam effect in TaskPaint, you need to select the foam icon. Okay, in the selector, then click and drag your magic wand on the place you want to give the magical foam effects. Okay, here you can see the magical foam effects is here in the image. Okay, next is flower effects. Okay, flower effects, so you can grow colorful flowers even on your computer screen. So you need to follow the steps. First of all, click on the flower icon in the selectors. Okay, click on the flower icon, क्योंकि यहाँ पे flower effects हम लोग देना चाहते हैं तो flower icon को select करना होगा. Okay, now select a color of the flower you want to grow from the color plate. सो आप लोगों को क्या करना होगा, जो जिस कलर आप लोगों को अच्छा लगता है उसी कलर का फूल आप लोग ड्रॉ करेंगे. तो you need to choose the color, okay, from the color plate. टेक द कर्सर ऑन द ड्राइंग कैनवास एंड क्लिक wherever you like। दैट मीन जहाँ जहाँ पे आप लोगों को जो फ्लावर्स है वो दिखाना है वहाँ पे आप लोग क्लिक करेंगे। यू विल सी द फ्लावर्स ग्रोइंग विथ जस्ट ए क्लिक। एक क्लिक से ही जो फ्लावर होगा वो ग्रोइंग होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा। कीप क्लिकिंग एज मेनी एज फ्लावर यू वांट। जितना आप लोगों को चाहिए होगा उतना ही आप लोग वहाँ पे क्लिक कर सकते हैं। ओके, if you want to you can change the color of the each flower of grow by selecting the different colors from the color plate। that means आप लोग कलर भी चेंज कर सकते हैं। आप लोग को जो जैसा लगेगा आप लोगों को वैसा ही फ्लावर का कलर आप लोग देख सकते हैं। here you can see the image and here you can see different types of colors are there, flowers are there। okay, so this is the flower effects। next is bricks effects। so bricks means here you can see the image, the wall is bricks effects। okay, so first of all you need to select a shape and draw a heart on the drawing canvas, then click on the bricks icon। okay, you need to do bricks effects, then you need to select bricks icon in the selector, take the cursor on the picture of a heart, click and drag the cursor to construct a wall। okay, construct a wall that means जब आप लोगों को bricks icon पे सिलेक्ट हो जाएगा उसके बाद जहाँ पे जो वॉल है उसके ऊपर ले जाके क्लिक करना होगा माउस को, उसके बाद ड्रॉ करना होगा, ड्रैग करना होगा। ओके, उसके बाद ऑटोमेटिकली आपका जो वॉल है वो क्या होगा, ब्रिक्स इफेक्ट्स ऑटोमेटिकली वहाँ पे दिखने लगेगा। नेक्स्ट इज rainbow effects। okay, rainbow effects, all of you know that rainbow is a colorful band of 7 colors, okay, that is from in the sky after a rainfall। it is the natural art created when the sunlight passes through the water droplets in the sky। okay, so if you want to create your own rainbow, so follow these steps। first is click on the magic tool icon in the toolbox, now select the real rainbow icon। okay, आप लोगों को जो भी इफेक्ट्स डालना होगा उसी आइकॉन के ऊपर ही आप लोगों को क्लिक करना होगा, ये चीज़ आप लोगों को ध्यान में रखना है। रियल रेनबो आइकॉन ऑन इन द सिलेक्टर, take your cursor to the drawing canvas, left click of the mouse and drag it to create a rainbow effects। that means आप लोगों को रेड क्लिक करना होगा, उसके बाद ड्रैग करना होगा तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो जो रेनबो होगा वो क्रिएट होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा। ओके, जब तक जहाँ पे लगेगा कि आप लोगों का ख़त्म हो जाएगा उसके बाद माउस को छोड़ देना है। रिलीज द क्लिक व्हेन यू फिनिश। ओके, so this is the real rainbow effects। next is grass effects। we all know that grass makes takes months and years to grow, but with the grass effects in the touchpad you can grow it with just a few clicks on your computer screen। okay, so same process। okay, every effects you have to do same process। so first is click on the magic tool in the toolbox, spot the grass icon। ग्रास आप लोगों को ग्रास इफेक्ट्स डालना है तो ग्रास आइकॉन में जाना होगा, in the selector and click on it, take the cursor in the drawing area and canvas and start clicking wherever you want to grow the some grass। okay, here you can see in the picture grass are there। okay, if you want to cluster of grass, click the left click mouse button and drag the cursor anywhere on the drawing canvas without releasing the button। that means आपको जहाँ पे cluster grass दिखाना होगा वहाँ पे आप लोगों को माउस का जो लेफ्ट बटन है उसको क्लिक करके ड्रैग करना होगा, जितना तक आप लोग दिखाना चाहते हैं उतना तक ड्रैग करना होगा ड्राइंग कैनवास के ऊपर। जब आप लोगों को लगेगा कि इतना तक ही दिखाना है तब आपको माउस बटन को रिलीज कर देना है। ओके, तो आपका ग्रास इफेक्ट्स ऑटोमेटिकली क्रिएट हो जाएगा। सो इन द 6th चैप्टर only discuss up to the grass effects। okay, so move on to the question answer part of this chapter number 6, question answer part। okay, the magic tool is given in toolbox। okay, we all know that all tools are given in the toolbox bar। various magic effects are found in selector। okay, selector पे different types of magic effects are there in the selector group। next is we use real rainbow icon to draw rainbow on the drawing canvas। next is when soap and water are mixed they form foam। okay, a mason use bricks effects to construct a house or a building। okay, these are the fill in the blanks from the chapter number 6। okay, chapter number 6। next is true false, the flower effects can only be used once। false, the drip effects is used to create the dripping effects on the drawing canvas। false, The cursor change into the bricks when the bricks effects is selected. True. The rainbow is a natural phenomena. This statement is also true. The grass magic tools adds real grass effects of to a drawing. So this statement is also true. So I hope that all of you understand uh, chapter number 6. Now we move on to the chapter number 7. Okay, so now comes to the age effects. Okay, both chapter number 6 and 7, both chapter same content, task spent. Okay, task spent. So chapter number 7 first content is age effects. So the age effects separated the outline of the colors of pictures. Okay, so when you need to create age effects in TuxPaint, you need to follow these steps. First of all, use the tools you creative skill and draw a scenery or a picture. आप लोगों को कोई भी एक सीनरी और पिक्चर ड्रॉ करना है. Then select the magic tool from this toolbox. Okay, same thing. Select the magic tool from the toolbox. Click on the edge icon on the selector. Place the cursor on the picture. Left click and start dragging. Same process. Okay, all of you need to learn one effects, one steps, and you will able to do each and every effects very easily. Okay, so first of all you need to select the magic tool from the toolbox, then select edge icons in the selector. Place the cursor on the picture, left click and start dragging the mouse to the area where you want to give the edge effects. You will see that only outline of the picture or the shapes is remain. Okay, here you can see the edge effects are here. Okay, in this picture on the right you can see the after applying edge effects, the penguin strikes are only the outline is seen. Okay, here you can see the picture is here. Okay, only the outline are seen before and after. Okay, next is waves effect. With the waves magic tool you can create beautiful horizontal waves effects in your drawing. So first of all begin with the drawing of water bodies we using the line or fill tools. Next, same process, click on magic tools for in the toolbar, click on wave icons in the selector, read the guidelines given by tags by mascot in the help box regarding the use of the tool. Click on the tops of the water bodies and get small horizontal waves or click the button to the get long horizontal waves. Okay, so this is the basic and simple steps to be followed to create any wave effects. Next is wavelets effects. This is also the same process like waves. Wavelet magic tool is also used to give the wave effects in the drawing. With this effects you can create vertical up and down. Here you can see in the image up and down waves. Okay, so begin with the drawing beach using the relevant tools and click on the undo tools to give toolbox to go back to the original water bodies. Okay, next click on the magic tool from the toolbox bar and select the wavelet icons in the selector. Okay, so click on the top of the water bodies, get small vertical waves, or click on the bottom to get the long vertical waves. जहाँ पे आप लोगों को जो वेबलेट्स इफेक्ट्स दिखाना होगा वहाँ पे ले जाके आपको माउस ले जाके उसको क्लिक करना होगा. उसके बाद ही वो क्या होगा कि वेबलेट्स इफेक्ट्स आपके पिक्चर में आ जाएगा. नेक्स्ट इज blur effects. Okay, blur effects. The blur effects makes an image or text uniquely like the picture below. Okay, here you can see the blur effects is here. So first of all of you need to open the TuxPaint software, click on the new icon in the toolbox, select a drawing canvas and click on the open. Draw a using any tool of your choice as per your choice. Okay, then select same process, select magic tool in the toolbox and select the blur icon in the selector. Take the image went to the drawing canvas, left click of the mouse button and start dragging to the place where you want to get the blurring effects. Okay, observe what happened. So हर एक इफेक्ट्स आप लोग जब डालेंगे सेम प्रोसेस होता है. सेम प्रोसेस आप लोग अगर एक को कर पाएंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली बाकी जितना सारा भी इफेक्ट्स है आप लोग ऑटोमेटिकली उसको कंप्लीट कर पाएंगे. ओके, so in your TuxPaint chapter this is the last effect. Blur effects is the last effects. Okay, so now move on to the question answer part of chapter number 7. First is fill in the blanks. Okay, the minor effects is applied on the stamps. Okay, the wave effects created the horizontal waves. The smog effects is used to mix two colors. Next is the wavelets effects is used to create the vertical waves. So these are the fill in the blanks from the chapter number 7. Next is true false. Okay, the stamps tools can only be pasted at the particular place on the drawing canvas. This statement is false. Okay, next is the wavelets effect create only up and down waves. True. The edges effects can applied on the picture of drawn or paste. True. No more than two colors can be smoked together. This is also true. So these are the true false from this chapter number 7. I hope that all of you understand all the effects of chapter number 6 and 7, and but all of you need to learn each and every uh, uh, effects steps. Okay, and all of you should read the chapter very carefully to understand the content of this chapter, both chapter. Okay, so today I am ending my discussion here. In my next video I will discuss another chapter. So till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.